Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Noteable ChatGPT plugin that you can use to create notebooks in Python, SQL and Markdown and interact with those notebooks, create cells and stuff like that. So it's a really useful plugin for programmers. Right before I would show you how to use the Noteable ChatGPT plugin with an actual example, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this plugin that you can check out on the description below. In the article I also talk about some of the best prompts you can use this plugin with. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use this plugin. So before you would be able to use the plugin, of course you have to enable plugins in your ChatGPT account. If you haven't enabled plugins yet, I have a tutorial on that on my YouTube channel. And also keep in mind that you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber to be able to use plugins and the Noteable ChatGPT plugin as well. So once plugins are enabled, you have to click on New Chat. Then select GPT-4 from the model selector, then select plugins from the drop-down. And then you have to install the Noteable ChatGPT plugin. So click on Plugin Store, then search for the Noteable ChatGPT plugin, then click on Install. And then you have to also create a Noteable account if you do not have an account yet. So you can sign in with your GitHub, LinkedIn, and your Google account. Let's use Google right now. So once you are signing into your Noteable account, now we can create notebooks with this Noteable application. So let's see an example. So then let's add the following prompt: create a new Python notebook named Test Python Project. Then click on Generate. And as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of function or code. ChatGPT is clever enough to know that it has to use the Noteable ChatGPT plugin. And as you can see, it has created a new Python notebook named Test Python Project. You can access it using the following link, and you can click on the Noteable link. And as you can see, the project has been created, as we can see. And once you have a lot of cells, you can of course refer to those cells, and if you have multiple projects, you can refer to those projects as well in your ChatGPT conversation. So you can delete projects, you can create new notebooks, you can delete notebooks, you can edit notebooks using this plugin. So it can be a really handy tool for programmers who are using the Noteable app to create applications. And as I mentioned, you can find the example and prompts you can use this plugin with in the description below. And if you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins, not just the Noteable ChatGPT plugin, but other plugins for programming, finance, business, marketing, and a lot more, you can find a lot of tutorials on my YouTube channel, and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.